Modeling success is one of the fastest ways to accelerate your business as an entrepreneur, and there is a little known secret that allows you to spy on other people's ad campaigns. Hi everyone, it's Patrick from Flood Your Business. Make sure that you subscribe with your notification bell on. We will be dropping content every week to help you grow your business. Alright, so today what I'm going to talk to you about is how you can actually spy in and look at campaigns from other businesses in your niche and entrepreneurs out there who are running ads currently. Now, I'm not talking about grabbing your phone and scrolling through and hoping that you see an ad from a competitor. I'm actually talking about pinpoint, going in and taking a look at exactly what kind of campaigns they're doing, and you can also look at their funnels and opt into their follow-up sequences. So this strategy I've been doing for a while, not only just studying entrepreneurs' content, but actually taking a look at what active campaigns they're running and how they're doing it. I guess that makes me a stalker. Anyways, let's talk about why you would want to do it before we talk about how to do it. So the first reason, and the most obvious in my opinion, is the fact that success leaves clues, right? So you know that if there's a high-level entrepreneur out there running an ad, it's probably working, and that's something that you can employ in your own business. So what's really cool is you can also see how long these ads have been running for, and like I said earlier, you can click on the call to action, go into their funnel, see what their funnel looks like, and then end up opting in to see what their follow-up sequence also looks like. I think it's important to note that if you are modeling the success of a high-level entrepreneur, their following is going to amplify the optimization of their ads. In other words, they're going to get a better result than somebody who doesn't have the same type of following. Okay, so where do we find this information? So once you go into Facebook, you're gonna find a business, you'll scroll down and you're gonna see something called page transparency. Once you click on that, you can see, if you scroll down again, something called the ads library. Clicking on that will open up exactly what they're running and even show you ads that may have gotten shut down. So if you're in a local market, before you run an ad, what I would recommend that you do is do a quick Google search to see who else is around you in your niche. Then take that business name, go into Facebook and use the strategy that I just talked about so you can get a really clear idea of everyone around you, what they're doing, and how much competition that you're actually going to be facing before you even turn a campaign on. This will also give you all the information that you need in terms of how to create your own ads and how you can position yourself against your competition with what you're offering and how you're offering it. Now, if you're in a larger market and you're running ads on a national level, what you can do is go into the Facebook ads library and type in a few words that may be in your niche. What's going to happen is those business names will auto-populate inside of that search window, and then you can actually start to look at those who are doing business on a national level to again position yourself against your competition and perhaps learn more about what you can do to improve your current creative. When it comes to understanding your competition and improving the way that you put creative out into your ad campaigns, this is an invaluable tool that I highly recommend that you use. So before you turn on a campaign, make sure that you use this strategy so you have a deeper understanding of what you're getting yourself into and how to improve. I hope that you found value in this and that you use this strategy to better direct your campaigns. Now, if you want to grow your business and want access to hundreds of free marketing tools, we do have a free Facebook group that you can join. I will leave a link in the description below. Alright everyone, that is it for now. Don't forget to subscribe with your notification bell on. We will be creating content every week to help you grow your business.